What's up, guys? It's Justin Marc. Hope all is well. There's something really important I want to talk to you about, and that is the ability to make more money, okay? Now, a lot of guys think that social skills is all that matters, and social skills is very important. A lot of people think relationships is all that matters, and relationships are very important. But I found, especially in the dating coach community, there's a lot of men that kind of downplayed how important money is. But not necessarily for dating, not necessarily for getting your dick wet, but making money is very important, specifically for developing yourself into a properly matured adult male, okay? Because far too often do I see a lot of friends that I grew up with or a lot of friends that I'm very close with, and they're broke. They are broke. They have $100 in their bank account, or they have like 30, 40, 50 grand, 60 grand of debt, right? And they just don't take responsibility for their lives. They don't put their back against the wall and figure out how to make money. And in this video, I want to talk to you specifically about how important it is to develop what I call six-figure social skills, okay? Because as a man, if you're not making minimum six figures, I don't think you're a properly adult man. I don't think you're a properly matured male until you're making at least a six-figure income. And what does six-figure mean? It means $100,000 a year, okay? If you're not making at least $100,000 US dollars per year, I don't consider you a properly adult male. I don't think you're responsible, and I don't think you're a man that can actually properly lead. Because by the time you develop the skills to make at least 10K a month, or like let's say even 8,000 USD a month, okay? By the time you develop those skills, you've developed your inner character, because your level of income is never going to outpace your level of personal development. So your personal development is directly correlated to your level of income. Your level of income is directly correlated to your level of personal development, okay? And so I want to talk to you about some simple strategies you can apply today to start making more money, okay? So there's a lot of people that think it's what you know. They think you need a college education, university degree in order to make a lot of money, but that's not the case. It's actually who you know, right? Your network becomes your net worth, and you become the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with the most, right? So if all your friends are brokies, if all your friends are bums, if all your friends are just like low-level broke dudes, I mean, it makes sense that you're going to be less ambitious. A lot of my friends I've hung out with for many years are very rich, very wealthy, make a lot of money. One of my best friends lives in a 2-story penthouse and bought a Porsche recently, right? So I told myself, well, fuck, now I have to get a Lambo. Our buddy Thomas from back in the day, we used to do YouTube videos with him many years ago, right? He just bought a Lambo. So a lot of my friends are extremely, extremely wealthy, right? This almost creates a competition effect where you just feel more motivated to make more money because you see people around you doing exactly that, right? And so it's very important that you surround yourself with high-level people who have high-level careers. Surround yourself with people who are making money, who are entrepreneurial, make good money, who have high levels of income coming in because they have high income skills. Whether it's marketing, whether it's Amazon FBA, whether it's TikTok shop, whether it's just having a high leverage skill, right? I'll give you an example of this, right? My buddy Matt, he does photography, videography, right? The other day I sat him down and explained to him, I'm like, dude, if I had your skill set, I'd be making millions a year. Millions! Because I'm so good at persuasion and sales and marketing and branding and all those kind of things. I could probably start like a photography or videography agency and grow it very, very quickly, right? But the beauty of it, Matt has such good social skills. He's able to just land contracts left and right coming out of his asshole. Anytime he wants money, right? We just make one phone call, boom, high-level video job, 2 hours of work, make $750. Or, shoot one video with this random influencer, make $1,500, right? So the beauty of networking is so powerful, especially when you pair this up with high leverage skills, right? I'll give you another example. I'm a high-level club promoter, okay? By definition, I'm arguably the top club promoter in the country of Canada, right? Because I'm so good at bringing girls together. I'm so good at selling liquor. I'm so good at bringing people out to different parties and events and curating these events, right? I threw a random last-minute birthday party. I spent over $20,000 on that party, right? I was able to get sponsors for the party, so I was able to break even. We had over 500 people in my house, right? So I'm so good at doing these events that clubs are willing to pay me thousands of dollars a night to be there, just to be in that venue, because they know I'm going to bring a fucking ton of bad bitches. They know I'm going to be able to sell liquor. They know they're going to get a ton of content and brand buzz from that, right? So I'm able to actually close very high-level deals with doing events at clubs, right? But if I didn't have the networking skills I have, or if I didn't have the ability to have friends who can network on my behalf, I wouldn't be able to get all these clubs fighting over my business, right? And then when I actually get those clubs who are on the phone with me and they want to get me hosting their events, I'm able to close the deal very, very easily, right? So this is what I call 6-figure social skills. It's using your network, okay, and using the people around you as leverage to make money, okay? So you might have all kinds of random skills. You might be a high-level engineer, but because you have poor social skills, you're not landing high-level engineer jobs. But because you go out and work on your social skills, you go work on your ability to meet people, you go work on your ability to network with high-level people, all of a sudden, you interview better. You have a plethora of options of people who want to work with you and hire you, right? And when you're actually in the interview, because you're so confident who you are, you're so sure of your skill set, you're able to land those high-level, high-paying jobs extremely, extremely easily and have a high-level career very, very easily. All because you learn game, all because you learn Riz, all because you learn social networking, social skills, and interpersonal skills at a very, very high level, okay? I've even seen it with guys who are like doctors, lawyers, high-level accountants. They have all these credentials. They have their master's degrees, but they're broke. They're fucking brokies. Brokies! That's unacceptable. But then they learn game, they learn social skills, and all of a sudden they double, they triple their income. I have a lot of guys that join my bootcamp programs, my coaching programs, right? If you want to learn more about that, you can go to justinmarc.com, right? Schedule a free call with me, or you can look at the documentaries, the bootcamp playlist here on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of guys that sign up for bootcamp, and I mean, they're making good money, but they're not making great money, right? Maybe they're making 6 figures a year. Maybe they're making like 80, 90, 100K a year, but they should be making 200K a year, 300K a year, right? And it's so crazy, 6 months after the bootcamp, they're making big numbers. They're making 150, 200K a year, right? Why? Because the social skills that they learned, the transformation that they went through, the personal development that they undertook, allowed them to expand their mind, expand their network, expand their social skills, and put themselves in positions where they're in front of high-level networking opportunities. And with high-level networking opportunities come high-level career opportunities, right? So it is that simple. It is very, very simple, right? But it's easier said than done. You actually have to put yourself out of your comfort zone. You actually have to go out and make better money. You actually have to go out and network at a high level and put yourself out there. And that can be very difficult for a lot of people. That can be very scary for a lot of people, right? Networking can be a very scary thing, right? And this is why it's so important for a man to learn social skills, learn game when you're young, right? But better late than never. Doesn't matter how old you are, you have to learn these skills. You have to learn social skills. You have to learn game. You have to learn Riz, charisma, okay? You have to learn how to do all these things, okay? And I find more often than not, when guys learn these skills, they get entrepreneurial. They want to start their own businesses. They want to start new business ventures. You know, they want to get into creating more value for the world. It is so fucking powerful. It is more powerful than you could ever believe, right? I had a student named Abraham. He's in my inner circle support group. He did a boot camp with us about a year ago. Dude used his last bit of money to make it to Toronto to do a boot camp with us. He used his last bit of money to be here, okay? And I told him, I'm like, the return on investment you're going to get from learning these skills is going to pay you dividends for the rest of your life. And what was crazy is now he has a 6-figure career just over a year later in tech sales, okay? So if you have any high-level skill set, maybe you're good at sales, maybe you're good at marketing, maybe you're good at tech sales, maybe you're good at copywriting, maybe you're good at like back-end style marketing, like funnels and stuff like that. Maybe you're good at like influencer marketing, like TikTok Shop, for example. Maybe you have a skill like videography or photography that you can leverage, right? Whatever high level skill you have, as long as you improve your social skills alongside that, you have a very high leverage opportunity, okay? Because now you can go out and network, not just to get your pee-pee wet, right? Not just to go pull a baddie, right? And you can always do that as well, right? But you can also use those skills to have high-level career opportunities. You know what's even crazier? I find a lot of times I pull these bad bitches. I pull these smoke shows. And you just think they're these random crazy hoes or these party girls. But a lot of them have really high-level careers as well. A lot of these girls make 6 figures. A lot of the girls are doing OnlyFans and making 6 figures from that. They're making $50K a month. I met this dumb bitch who's drunk all the time every time I meet her. And she's making $50K a month. And she's 20 years old. How does it feel that this 20-year-old blonde bimbo who dropped out of college is making more money than you, bro? Let me ask you that. Seriously. How does it feel that this 20-year-old bimbo is making $50K a month and you're not even touching those numbers? Doesn't it make you feel bad? Doesn't it make you feel like a peasant? Seriously. I want you to actually like logically realize that. So this is what I'm saying. Like, it's like, and you expect these girls to want to hook up with you? Like, you expect to pull, like, and don't get me wrong, a lot of these girls will hook up with you because you're game, because you're Riz. Because they already have their money, right? They already have their own income. But dude, a lot of times I'll pull these baddies and they have a very high level career. They're making 60K or 70K or 100K or some of them are making well over 6 figures, okay? And then I see a lot of the guys that I know, guys I've grown up with, guys I'm friends with, barely getting by. What the fuck is your excuse, bro? What is your excuse if these drunk bimbos are making more money than you? Whether it's from OnlyFans or some of them like have, bro, I met this dumb like broad and she's, man, this girl was like managing the Ontario health budget. I'm like, this girl is a freaking moron. She's an idiot. How is she in this high level responsible career? This is insane, right? So you have no excuse not to have a high level professional career, okay? You have no excuse. You have to learn 6-figure social skills, okay? You have to learn persuasion. You have to learn how to sell yourself because you are a product. You have to have high levels of fashion so you walk in the room and you command authority in your presence and your body language, okay? You have to master communication skills so people want to be around you and do business with you. You have to master making people feel good so they feel comfortable with you, okay? So they're more open to do business with you and be vulnerable with you. All of these are very, very, very important things that you need to learn. You have to slowly, over time, master these skills at a fundamental level so people are more likely to do business with you, so girls are more likely to date you, and so you just have a high level life overall, okay? You have to get your money up. You have to stop being a brokey, okay? If you're over 25 years old and you don't have at least $100,000 saved up, you are a peasant, okay? You are a brokey. There is no excuse for not having at least $100,000 saved up. Now, let's say you don't have any friends. Let's say you don't have any friends that are rich. You don't have any friends that are well off, okay? There are tons of communities on the internet that are all about getting your money up. I'm on Reddit, okay? Reddit has all kinds of subreddits about making money. There's the money subreddit, right? There is the Bitcoin subreddit. There's the cryptocurrency subreddit. There's a subreddit that I'm on. It's called the Race to 10 Million, okay? Such a good subreddit where it's literally millionaires teaching you how they made $10 million and how they got their net worth to $10 million at a very young ages, okay? It's literally a community on Reddit called the Race to 10 Million where people are literally teaching you how they made $10 million through investments. And you can just copy their investments or their trades, okay? Do you understand, guys? There's Wall Street Bets. There's all kinds of making money subreddits on Reddit. So you have no excuse not to network with people on the internet. You have no excuse not to make friends with high income people. Do you understand that you're a brokey? Do you understand that if you're watching this video and you don't have at least 100 grand saved up, that you are a fucking peasant? Okay? You are a peasant. Just so we're clear. Because once you have 100 grand saved up, you can invest that money. Once you have 100 grand saved up, you can become an investor and strategically invest your money and get to $1 million, right? They say the first million is difficult, but the second million is inevitable, okay? But you need to go out and network. You need to go shake hands with the right people. You need to learn how to create value for others, and you need to use your soul skills to be able to get yourself in the rooms with those people that you create value for in the first place. And you need to use the skills that you have. If you don't have any skills, go develop some skills. Go develop some high income skills. Go develop some monetizable skills. And go develop unique skills where you cannot be replaced easily. And then go read all the business books. Go read Think and Grow Rich. Go read The Science of Getting Rich. Right? Go read How to Win Friends and Influence People. Go read all the fundamental personal development and business books that will help you make lots and lots of money. Okay? And change your brain into becoming someone who creates value for others, becoming an entrepreneur, becoming someone that takes his life, career, and income seriously, okay? This is all what I call 6-figure social skills, and it's a very important skill set to have. If you don't have it, you're a peasant. No being a peasant, okay? I want to see you guys level up. I want to see you make your money. I want to see you make your first $100,000. I want to see you make your first $1 million. Okay? And there's no excuse for not doing that. If you're not making 6 figures a year, I don't consider you a man. I don't consider you an equal. You know, every single day, these guys come up to me in the street and they're fans. They want a picture, but then they expect me to treat them like an equal. I'm like, how are you an equal? How many girls you fuck? Because I've been with 567 women. I put my penis in 567 individual women. Okay? I hope that makes sense. And that's not including girls that suck my dick or tickle my balls or girls I fingered that I didn't close the deal with. Okay? So I've been intimate with over 1,000 women. Like, how much money have you made, bro? And how do these guys expect me to treat them like an equal? Right? These guys who have achieved nothing in life, especially the dudes that are like 10 years old, younger than me. The guys that are 10 years younger than me. They've achieved nothing and they're broke and they get no bitches. They expect me to treat them like an equal. Even worse is the guys 5 years older than me, 10 years older than me. In their 30s or 40s, they expect me to treat them like an equal and they've achieved nothing in life. That's even worse, okay? You don't deserve the respect from these bad bitches until you've achieved the personal development success that you need to have, okay? Until you've achieved that personal development character growth that you need to have, the money's not going to come and the girls aren't going to come, right? And once you've worked on yourself, you've worked on your inner game, you've worked on your character, you've worked on your social skills, you will start getting women, okay? And then you should be mad. You should be mad. I used to walk around this house that I live in right now angry that I wasn't at the level of income, finances, net worth that I wanted to be at, that I deserved to be at. And when I had the opportunities to make that money, it came very quickly because I was already that person internally. I was already that person inside, okay? So it's very important that you work on yourself, work on your inner self, work on your character, work on the personal development, work on your mindset to become that guy that deserves those successes. So when the successes come, it's like, no shit. Of course I'm here. Of course I've achieved these successes. Okay? It's very important that you work on these skills and develop 6-figure social skills. Okay? Whether it's in sales, whether it's in marketing, whether it's in copywriting. You can just go on ChatGPT right now and ask ChatGPT, what are the highest income skills that I can learn very quickly to start making a high level of money? You can do it within 6 months, guys. Go on ChatGPT right now. Ask ChatGPT, what are the easiest skills to learn that are monetizable, that I can make a lot of money in, and learn these skills very quickly. So in 6 months, I can be making at least $10K a month. And you'll get a whole list of skills to learn. By the end of next year, you could have $100,000 saved up if you choose. But then there's all these other skills you got to learn along with it. Accounting and budgeting and managing your finances. Making sure you save money and put money away. Making sure you have savings accounts and taxes and this and that and all these things. Okay? There's all these other skills that are going to come with it. And then you finally will develop yourself in a properly mature adult male. A man that is worthy of these beautiful women. How do you think women feel when they walk into my house? How do you think these women feel when they walk in my crib? And they see how clean the place is. They see how pristine this space is, how gorgeous the place is. They're like, wow, finally I'm not with the little boy, but I'm with the fucking man. I'm not with a little young kid that I have to baby and raise, but I'm with a properly matured adult male who can actually give me direction in life, right? And then you become a professional problem solver and you help these women solve their problems in their life. They call you when they need you, right? You're a shoulder for them to cry on when they're stressed out or they're doing some dumb shit. And that allows them to fall in love with you because you're a properly developed man, okay? Go get your money up, bro. I'm Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, VIP lifestyle development coach. I love you guys, truly. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm teaching these skills, okay? I've been doing this for over 10 years. I'm retired. I don't need to teach you these skills. I just go off, live my comfy life with my multiple girlfriends, my bad bitches, pulling girls every weekend, hooking up with and dating beautiful women. But I still want to check in on you guys. Make sure you're doing good. I'm always here for you if you need anything, okay? If you need anything, if you have any questions, message me on Instagram. DrunkJustin2 on Instagram. I check every single message. Or schedule a call with me at justinmarc.com, okay? Free one-on-one strategy call. And I'm here for you if you need anything, bro. Seriously. Leave a comment down below. I fucking love you. I'm always here for you. And, I will see you at the top. Take care, much love, and I will talk to you soon.